Here's a view around the street, which is a quiet little street inside a gate. And heading up the drive. This neighborhood is all townhouses, and they have this little courtyard in the front, which is nice. Nice little place to sit out, kind of private. Ordinarily, the front door has a storm door, but it's being repaired, so they have a temporary screen on the front. And right inside the door is this foyer. Straight ahead is a coat closet. A little sneak peek in the main area of the house, entering the kitchen. That hallway leads to the master bedroom. There you see the stairs that goes up to the guest quarters, laundry room leading to the garage. There's the front door, and here is a half bath right off the kitchen, very convenient. Nice soaring ceilings here. They have sort of a lofted ceiling, which gives it a lot of light, makes it feel very spacious. Eating kitchen with some bar stools, a small dining area, and the main living space. Here we're going to take a closer look at the kitchen. You can see the countertops, appliances, a little coffee nook there in the corner. We'll take a quick peek at the pantry. Now we're heading to the master suite, master bedroom. Sliders out toward the back. Little windows for some extra light, although they have blinds up for them. And the ensuite master bath. Nice sunken tub and a shower stall. Very spacious. Double vanities. We take a peek at the walk-in closet. There's a potty closet. Heading back into the master. Heading back around. And here we're going to go through the laundry room and into the garage. It's an oversized two-car garage. Lots of space up top if you wanted to install some storage racks there. And now we're heading up toward the guest suite. At the top of the stairs here is a little office area. You could use it for just a sitting area or a hobby area. It's kind of nice with a desk. Wonderful view. And here's the first of the guest bedrooms. A little seating area in the front here. And there's the closet. And between the bedrooms here's the ensuite full bath. And they have a nice big shower stall here. Another peek at the sink. And then through to the second guest bedroom. So this is bedroom number 3. And back to the office area and heading back down. Now here we're going to walk through and take a look outside. So there's sliders from the master bedroom to the backyard, and there's also a slider here. Nice covered back patio. All designed for very low maintenance. And heading back in. And that's it.